Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Trust Wallet in Exness. First, you need to understand Exness's verification requirements, which typically involve both proof of identity and proof of address. Make sure your Trust Wallet is already set up and ready to use. Gather your identification documents, such as a passport or national ID, and proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement, ensuring they are valid and clear. Next, log into your Exness personal area. Once logged in, look for the deposit or withdrawal section. When choosing a payment method, select a cryptocurrency option, as this is how you'll link your Trust Wallet. You will then follow the on-screen instructions to securely connect your wallet, which may involve scanning a QR code or copying a wallet address. After linking, you'll need to submit your verification documents. Upload clear, unedited photos of your proof of identity, like a passport or driver's license, ensuring all four corners are visible. Then, provide a recent proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement issued within the last 6 months. Double-check that all names and addresses match your Exness profile exactly to avoid delays. Once your documents are submitted, Exness typically reviews them within 24 hours, though it can sometimes be faster. You will receive an email confirmation once your account and Trust Wallet are fully verified. If you encounter any issues, contact Exness support for assistance. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. This ensures you can confidently manage your funds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.